Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Denny's birthday rewards. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so redeeming Denny's birthday reward is pretty straightforward, and I've outlined a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So the first thing you want to do is join Denny's reward program. You can do this by visiting Denny's official website and registering for the rewards program. Make sure to enter your birthday when creating your account. And now from there, so on around your birthday time, usually within a month, Denny's will send out you an email of details about your birthday reward. This usually includes a coupon or a unique code for a free birthday meal. And then from there, just go to a participating Denny's restaurant. It's a good idea to call ahead and confirm the location you plan to visit honors the birthday reward. And from there, present the birthday email coupon to your server when you place your order. The email coupon typically involves instructions on how to redeem the reward, and then from there, enjoy your complimentary birthday meal. The reward includes a free Grand Slam breakfast, but the specifics often may vary from store to store. And also make sure to redeem your birthday reward within the specific time frame mentioned in the email or coupon, as these offers usually have an expiration date.